Hello everyone. So now we are done with the calculated column. So maybe we will create more later on as per our requirement. So today now I'm going to talk about measures. See the measures, it will change your whole perspective towards Power BI. Okay, so before starting with the measures, there is some important concept we need to discuss. Okay, so before a jump into the pool of measures, and that will define the what context we have in Power BI, right? So for that, I jump onto the canvas, and I will just press Control A and delete. See, I don't want any visualization over here, so I'm taking okay, so to create some visualization, I'm taking a matrix over here. See, this is a matrix. Just click on the matrix. So we are going to talk about it in details, about the visualization in detail, but later on. So why we are taking this matrix and visualization, but for now, during the creation of measures we need to create couple of visualization, so just to match the values, just to check the value after performing the calculation are right or wrong. So that's why we are creating the visualization, nothing else, for just sake of understanding of you guys. So I'm just putting let me take something over here. Okay, so we'll go for randomly. I'll take order here, order quantity. Okay, so I'm just taking this order under the values. So see what we can see over here. So 84174. So this is showing us the entire sold value of the order quantity. So 84174 is the entire value. So now see here carefully, I'm just randomly picking up the fields. So I'm just taking the subcategories. We'll discuss it why I'm taking. So it's just for sake of understanding. See, okay, subcategories. Right. And so we will take a subcategory name to the row field. See, now you can see there are different names in front of order quantity. Why these values are reflecting in front of category name? Okay, so please listen carefully, because this concept is really important. Why these values are coming? Because see, I have taken these two two fields randomly. I have took the order quantity, and on the rows you can see the subcategory name. So see, because at the background they have a relationship. That means this product table and your subcategory table has a relationship. So I'm just taking you through this relationship modeling part again. Why? Because this is also called as filter flow. You know that we have already discussed about the filter flow, that means one to one relationship and how it works, how filter flow works. So now you can see this table, the customer table and F table is connected. So this product category, you can see the product category is connected through the relationship. Okay, so that's why these things are coming in front of the order quantity. What if there are no relationship between the tables? What will happen? So it will show the continuous values. See, these 84174 gets filtered out according to their category name, subcategory name. If there would be, imagine if there would be no relationship between this your product table and subcategory table, what will happen? This 84174 gets repeated throughout the sequence. Okay, for your understanding purpose, we will do that again. So we'll just cut it down. Okay, so we'll take, look what will happen, all the order quantity filter on the basis of, but how it is happening, we are just getting value. It is very dynamic concept called a filter context, right? If there is a relation between among the tables, among the different tables, then and then only the values get reflected. If there are no relationship, the value will not reflect. I'll show you how it works. Just understand this concept. Consider that this table 1 and this is table 2, they have a already relationship. This is a dimension table and this is your fact table. So you can see the direction of table. That means this, consider that this is your table 1 and this is your table 2. The table 1 is controlling table 2, but table 2 cannot control the table 1, because you can see the filter flow. Filter flow is from upward towards the downward. That means from table 1 to table 2. We'll take another one example. What will happen if we take, okay, let me just cancel it. We'll take on the row side country. Okay, so countries are there and annual income, the values. See, this annual income value is repeating again and again. Why this is happening? Because they don't have the direct relationship, right? This D customer and this country fed doesn't have the direct relationship. There is one a fact table, because these two fields coming from the dimension table itself, but these two dimension table doesn't have direct relationship. They have a relationship and they have a mediator in between them. That's why they cannot control each other, right? They sorry, so that country table cannot control the annual income from the customers table. So that's why these values are repeating. So simple to understand. Don't no don't put a big stone on your head and try to understand. It's very simple. It's a filter context. That means it's a filtering the data. So how it filters? It will filter when and when, then and then only if they have a relationship between them. Otherwise, it will not filter it out. Got the concept? I hope you got the concept of your filter context. Now next is we'll talk about the row context. What is mean by row context? Row context, where the we have done some the calculation, right? Calculated column. So we created the calculated column, that is called the row context. So why we are saying this? Because see, in the previous video we have created several columns. The revenue we have calculated, right? So formula for revenue, we have written the formula F sales and product price. We call that product price first and then we created the revenue, right? So we calculated the revenue on the basis of two fields. But how it works? It multiplies your order quantity into price. That means the operation is being happened row by row. So that's why it is called as a row context. See, filter context we are going to face a lot. So we just talked about filter context, find your row context. But in coming video, in coming session, while creating your visualization reports, so at that time you are going to use a filter context a lot, right? So now I hope that